Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. Today we'll be going over how you can create and edit user attributes inside Teamflect. Let's get right to it. Here we are inside the Teamflect dashboard. To learn more about user attributes, first we'll need to go into a user's profile. So from the user search section, we'll go into Alex's. On the left side, under contact information, we can see all of Alex's user attributes. Some of this information is drawn directly from Microsoft Azure AD. So attributes such as email or phone are drawn directly from Microsoft Azure, and that is why they're on top of the list. Attributes such as department, division, job level, or salary were added using Teamflect. Just as we can customize existing attributes or create new ones using Teamflect, we can also edit the visibility of these attributes. So sensitive information such as job level or salary can only be viewed by certain individuals. If we hover our mouse over the eye icon, we can see just who can access the information in this attribute. And same goes for the salary as well. But attributes such as job title or country, they don't need any special levels of clearance. Now, let's go into the Teamflect Admin Center and see just how we can create user attributes. Now inside the Teamflect Admin Center, we're going to go into Users and then User Attributes. This is where you can view, edit, and create user attributes. Under the Label column, we can see the names of each type of user attribute. And under Data Source, we can see just where the information for these user attributes are drawn from, were they put in manually or drawn directly from Azure AD. The data type reflects just what type of information this user attribute will have, such as text, currency, or date. And visibility is where we can see just who will be able to see these user attributes. Is it visible to everyone or just managers and administrators? And this column shows whether or not this user attribute is active. And on the far right is where we can edit or delete user attributes. Now, the attributes you see below here, such as job title, country, or birthday, were drawn directly from Azure AD and they come default. So these default user attributes cannot be deleted. However, they can be edited. So let's go into one and see just how we can edit it. Let's go into country. As you can see, we cannot edit the label itself. However, we can add a description or change the data source. We can change it from syncing directly from the Active Directory to manual input. Once we're done, all we need to do is click Submit. So let's create a new user attribute together. I'm clicking the Create New Attribute button and putting in a label. So this will be Remote Work Preference. If I want to, I can add a description. I can adjust its visibility right here. Will it be visible to everyone, managers or administrators, or just Teamflect admins? So this can be visible to everyone. We're selecting a data type, and I will be selecting the drop-down option. And I will be putting in some drop-down options such as Office or Remote or Hybrid. If I scroll down, I can select an icon for this attribute. This one seems fitting. I can check whether or not this attribute is active, and once I click Submit, my new attribute is live. We can see all the information we put in right here. Now, I want this attribute to be seen below department and division. All I have to do is click the little arrow button. And now it is below them. Let's fill out this information for a user now. We will need to go into Active Users. If we want to upload user attribute data in bulk, we can do it through a CSV file by clicking this button. But for the sake of this video, we will be doing it for just one person. I can see Alex right here. And I can edit his information by clicking this button. On top, we can see some of the attributes that we cannot edit, and some of the ones we can. Right here is the attribute we just created. I'm clicking the drop-down menu and selecting one of the options. I can check other user attributes right here, and once I'm done, I can click Submit. Now, inside the Teamflect application, if we go into the user search and into Alex's profile, we can see the attribute we created right here, under department and division, just as we intended, and with the icon we selected. But that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, never hesitate to contact the Teamflect support staff. Have a great day.
Teamflect. Build teams that deliver.